Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Enzeno V-shaped outdoor sectional cover. Of course, as you can see, you can use it indoor too, no problem for it, okay? It's a Patio couch cover, and this couch cover is waterproof. It is in an L-shaped dimension. It's a Patio furniture covers for outdoor and indoor use. You can see this sofa cover with waterproof strips are really nice. You can have it in 70 to 70 inches. You can have it in 85 to 85 inches, 100 to 100, 104 to 83, 112 to 87 inches, 118 to 118 inches, as you like. You can choose. We are often troubled to store our sofa cushions because of rain. The new outdoor section cover here with Nano PU coating has been upgraded from 5000 Pascal water pressure resistance to awesome 8000 water pressure resistance. That's a big upgrade. This added waterproof tape to the seams to prevent taking seams too, and no leaking is any more possible nearly here. The PVC coating of the V-shaped Patio furniture covers on the market hardens under the sun, causing the cover to become brittle and easy to tear. They use a new Nano PU coating, which is resistant to high temperature and tear does not fade, and is more effective prevent ultraviolet rays. This protects the rattan from the becomes brittle without exposure, and the leather will not fade. You can see this upgrade model here looks really awesome. And compared with traditional buckles, the buckles are more prone to aging, breaking and falling down. This brand here used 6 Velcro stickers to make our Patio couch covers fit, firmer and more durable. Anytime, anywhere, we adjust the length as we like. Some covers cotton PVC with a high percentage of harmful chemicals, but these PU linings are compliant with European environment standards. Very easy to clean. We only have to rinse the lid with water and dry it in the sun. Plus, it comes with an extra carry bag for easy storage when it is not in use. And you can see it's really easy to attach. We love the earth. We love our assets. And we cover it with Enzeno. Waterproof, anti-UV, windproof, snowproof, avoid bird attacks, avoid leaves and sediments. The Enzeno, founded by a group of environmentalists, product designers. They are looking for ways to reduce the non-green impact on the earth. One of the most effective solutions was to protect that we have with covers, to spread the environmentalism and take the actions to protect our earth. We set out to develop more high quality covers for us. That's cool. The surface of the fabric is covered by a non-hydrophilic coating. This makes rain and water flow well like a drap. And sturdy 420D Oxford fabric with hot melt processing laminated PU film has high density. Hot melted compounds processing makes PU film more heat resistant and will not easily melt or crack. Thus, the cover can effectively stop the water from seeping through the cover into our furniture. So, that's easy. And this is an upgraded waterproof design model. A layer of sealed tape is added to the needle seam to enhance the ability to waterproof level, preventing rainwater from seeping into our furniture through the stitches. And double needle stitch edging and unfade. New upgraded double needed stitch and gained more durability and tear resistance, and helps to prevent water from leaking through seams and onto our furniture too. And with a windproof lock robe and a 6 Velcro stickers. The double protection. Compared with traditional buckles, the buckles are more prone at aging and drop off. The windproof lock robe on the 6 Velcro stickers easily adjusts the size of our covers, sitting our Patio sofa perfectly. And this fits really good, and this makes it good to come over the winter time. This is the Enzeno V-shaped outdoor sectional cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.